Hello everyone, this is a weekly review of the Sigmund Freud. Today I want to talk about three topics about our text. So this week we covered the second page of the Sigmund Freud. As you know, this is a scientific journal. So in chapter 1, he introduces all the background study about the dream analysis area. So here the three topics that I want to introduce is the first is about the general public opinion about dream. Second, the reason why still in the time of Sigmund Freud there are so many followers about the supernatural origin about dream. And third, how Sigmund Freud organized his study. First off, the general people's belief about the dream. Before the Aristotle, there were two antagonistic streams about dream. One group believed that dream is true and valuable, which is sent by a god. God wants to warn people and God wants to show future to people. So these people believe that the dream is sent by God to warn or foretell the future. And the other group believe that there is no such a thing as a dream. The other group believe dream is vain, fraudulent, and empty. And dream will only lead to the destruction of the people. So this group didn't believe the dream. And the two antagonistic belief about dream was quite satisfiable of these old people, because for them the reality only exists within their own mind. It means that these old people, they feel quite familiar about the reality, so reality they were quite okay. And sometimes when they have dream feels quite out of world. It seems that come from out of world. So they were satisfied with this belief system. And it also accounts for the fact the memory when you wake up in the morning, you have a memory remainder of the dream, and it feels very strange. So these people, old people, are quite satisfied with these two opposite beliefs about dream. And second point about the supernatural origin about dream. So in time of Freud, there were still many followers who are trying to relate dream with the supernatural origin. And because if we exclude all bigoted, weird, strange authors about dream, if we exclude those extreme opinions about dream analysis, we can still easily meet some sagacious and wise people who try to reinforce and support their religious belief with the inexplicableness about dream. So at this time, people still could not explain fully about dream, so it feels like a mystery. So some of those even wise, sagacious people take advantage of this inexplicableness of a dream to reinforce their religious dream. So there were many general people who follow the supernatural origin of dream. At the same time, some of the academic groups, such as like the School of Schelling, they try to explain dream with logic. They try to logically explain dream, and they believe that the dream is related to God, divine nature. So no matter how much the scientists at time of Sigmund Freud try to remove all the supernatural origin of dream, they could not do that because there is just not enough scientific evidence, not enough scientific knowledge about dream. So you could not totally remove those supernatural origin about dream at his time. So maybe Freud wants to achieve some scientific discovery in dream, so he can remove those supernatural elements from dream. And the third is the way how he organized his study. So Freud argues that up until his time, in the field of dream study, not clear direction existed. So no progress in the scientific study of dream was made, and universally a lot of individual authors would agree that not much progress has been made in the area of dream at this time. So writing a history in dream study is difficult. Not clear direction. So what Freud is going to do is he is going to categorize dream study based on themes, and he will recognize some questions based on the themes of dream study and try to provide solutions to those questions. So that's how he is going to organize his study. And also Freud says that he's not a master in the dream study area because, dream is really disseminated in with broad range of the science area. In other words, dream is connected with other scientific areas, so it's impossible for Freud to know every single detail of dream study. But the Sigmund Freud is going to ask his readers to be assured that whether if the readers are not sure about the Freud cover or the fundamental study of a dream, Freud says, don't worry, do not worry, because he made sure that he covered all the fundamental and basic information and knowledge about the dream study, so readers can be assured about this fact, about Freud's study. So this was the quick summary of what we covered this week, and I hope you guys I hope this video helped you to understand our material. Okay, until see you next time. Bye. Thank you.